My name is Maurice Ongao. I'm a resident of Obunga in Kisumu County, it's in Kenya. Now we are working, offering an intersect walk. So we've come across a drainage which is used by the locals here. Now as you can see, it's very filthy. Now the waste is being put here, and water is not, so it stops the running of water. The water does not run smoothly here. So it's very unfortunate. The people live around here, and it's another hazard. So we are trying to tell these people who do this so that they can have some place to keep their waste, so that waste does not contaminate. Running water is not going smoothly. When it rains, it overflows here. So it's a big problem here, but we are trying to manage it by educating our people not to do the same things here.
So you come out there in the community to see, because we are conducting a research based on solid waste management. Now we decided to visit you today so that you can tell us more about waste. How do you see the challenges we experience? Have you heard of people who are doing waste collection in this area?
Well, I have heard about them, but they don't come this side.
Can you highlight the reason as to why they cannot reach your place, yet they reach other places?
Yeah, well, the paths are very narrow, and what they can use for carrying those
the solid waste.
Waste.
So there's no accessibility.
There is no accessibility. Come and connect it.
I can see, sir, you are close to the stream.
Yes.
Are you facing some challenges concerning sanitation? Because which kind of water are you using? Do you use the stream water or use any other kind of other type of water?
I use tap water.
Tap water. So meaning this one does not affect in any way or the other?
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
This one affects me only when it
overfloods.
It overfloods. It goes even inside the house.
Right. So it affects those people who are residing here. So it gets in when it overflows in the banks. It gets into the households. How do you wish the waste to be managed in Kisumu County, or rather in Obunga slum?
I would say if there could be any means of carrying them, but that can only be done when the roads are
accessible.
Yeah.
Right.
Anilongani Tom Jeffrey ada Obunga kai. Kaka wanted okber jeche nyano karata bande kumara mara ane yugi kumara mara sema kwa mtenda kana nyatimo wala kumari chori cheto yuta kumara mara kama Pakwan mabera. Taka kichenda hivi.
What about
the sema kubera wanyacho bimakisema sema kisema kwa sema ko richo kwa goyo to papa sema ko nini cha flats sema ko kiri break sema to ka taka to short sema ko macho
kiri is not bad.
Taroro nika class lakini sana ndio sana ber Martin lakini kwa ile tukano sa class kama mtu
My name is Aisau Diambo. I always operate in West. I do waste picking in the area. So I've been a member of KIWAN also. We register with the KIWAN so that they can also help us in the problem of waste within the community. And we've done several cleanups here because of no law being enforced to the residents. So they decided to dump in the area. So this has been a big challenge for us as waste pickers, because if we clean this area, we have some residents that decide that we can clean for them so that they can be our clients. We collect waste and we organize with the county. So we have a temporary transfer point where we always collect with the handcarts. Then we take them in a temporary transfer point. Then the county government send their truck, come and collect them. Challenges that we have within the area is accessibility, lack of law enforcement. We are trying with the community, as we've been organized with the resource center, so that we can educate and organize public forums so that we can educate the community about waste. I was suggesting solution for the waste is if we can, the county government can organize, we get a public place and being fenced so that we can recycle in the place, we can take our waste there, recycle it, then a lot of waste cannot be taken to the dump site because now the dump site is being reallocated. So the best thing is if we can find a public place here, being fenced. After being fenced, we can collect the waste, we separate inside the public place, then we do sorting, we can turn them into manure, we do recycling in the place.
Unipitie, mwenzako nimechacha, iweje unizimie, na simu ukasepa.